Arriba! Abajo!
We're 9 guys. Most of us college-made friends, others new acquaintances, but simply a group of friends searching for that next adventure, whatever it might be. We arrived in Costa Rica with no plan, only a lust for exploration, a map, and a question. Where do we go? How do we find the overlooked mountain pass, the roads riddled with inconvenience? How do we find that unfamiliar culture greeting us with new colors, sounds, and smells? How do we get there? Well, first, we drive. We had a different experience than most. Home was where we parked it. Unexplored beaches and forgotten fields are where we slept. And we prefer it that way. Pura vida.